At SolarLogix, we believe in powering progress with clean energy. That's why we're thrilled to announce our latest achievement: installing a 374 kilowatt solar power system at Annapurna Swadisht, one of West Bengal's leading snacks food processing companies located in Hooghly. This state-of-the-art system, mounted on a durable GI sheet roof structure, generates 1,331 units of solar power daily. That's enough to meet a significant portion of Annapurna Swadisht's energy needs while contributing to a cleaner environment. With this solar installation, Annapurna Swadisht is saving 41 lakh rupees annually while achieving massive environmental milestones. Offset 7,757 metric tons of CO2 annually, equivalent to preserving 9,107 acres of forest. Avoided burning 3,847 metric tons of coal, comparable to planting 1,25,000 trees. Prevented the use of 33 lakh liters of petrol, equivalent to driving over 3 crore kilometers. This project is more than just an investment. It's a step towards sustainability with a promise of excellent ROI and a quick payback period. At SolarLogix, we're proud to partner with Annapurna Swadisht in their journey towards sustainability. Together, we're setting an example for industries across India to embrace renewable energy solutions. If your business is ready to save costs, reduce its carbon footprint, and lead the way in green energy, get in touch with SolarLogix today. Let's build a brighter, cleaner future together.